Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are coming up to the roundabout by Cane River and we'll be heading into Bull Bay. So we're heading from Harborview to Bull Bay. At least I have some signs out here directing the traffic. Alright, so this section, the road has been upgraded to 4 lanes. And there you can see the dual carriageway. Now, the 4 lanes are not open yet. The 4 lanes should be open. This section of the highway should be finished by December this year. But they have 2 lanes operational so that traffic can use it. So those are the 2 lanes we're driving on, and then on the right you see them working on the other 2 lanes. So here now we switch over. And when they have the signs, it's so much easier for motorists to know which side of the road to go on. Alright, so this section they should definitely get finished by December. You can see they're almost finished now, probably just one more layer of asphalt. Wow, look at goats. I'm curious how they're going to. I know on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway they have a serious problem with fencing and animals going onto the road. I wonder how they're going to do it on this highway, because there are no fences on this highway. And you just saw the goats walking on the road a while ago. That should be something very interesting. But this side of the road, definitely you can see it's coming along. Alright, so we're now entering Bull Bay. Let's say though, I haven't seen a lot since the last. I think the last time we were here was what, like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I haven't seen any major change in the road since then. So this area now, Bull Bay, a lot of homes or structures had to be removed to expand the road. Because Bull Bay is a very developed area.